Watch something later but you don't know how to save it, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple to do. Just follow this video to the end so you don't miss any important details. But without further ado, the first thing we're going to do to actually save videos to our watch later and see them is we head over to the YouTube browser, and let's just say we want to save this video right here. How we actually save this video, click on the three dots right next to the video and then click on the save to watch later option right here. Second option, once you click on that, as you can see, it will actually save this to our watch later option. But how we actually view this list without actually clicking on that see list button is instead we want to head over to our library in the bottom right hand corner. And as you can see, when we go back to this panel right here, we can see these playlists feature right here. We click on the view all option, and these are all the playlists that I have on my YouTube account. And if we want to see the watch later playlist where you actually added it, is you just go over to the watch later, which is always at the very top, click on that, and as you can see, these are all the videos I've saved to my watch later. In this case, this one's at the very bottom because it's the newest video that I have added to my watch later features. But in this case, that is how you view videos in your watch later feature. As you can see, it's simple as that. If you want to move it up or down, you can do it like so if you want it in a certain order to watch later. And that is simple as that. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe so we can be the most subscribed egg on YouTube.